Greetings, WordPressers. Jakson here. In today's show, we are talking about how you can add custom functions to your WordPress site without touching your functions.php file. Right then, so when you Google around to find out how to do something in WordPress, sometimes you'll come across a blog post or a tutorial that asks you to add a bit of code to your functions.php file. Don't do it. Why? Well, because one day you may update your theme and that functions.php file will be overwritten. Once it's overwritten, your function goes and you wonder why your website's broken. So there is a way, of course there's a way to do it with a plugin. And the one that I like the most, because it's very well written and it's got a bit of feedback, it's not just a place to dump some code, is an ace little plugin called My Custom Functions. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add custom functions with a few examples to your WordPress website in just a few minutes. So let's go grab that custom functions plugin. We're going to go to plugins and add new. And I've got the name of the plugin on a text document here, which we'll just paste into the keyword search. And that's our fella right there, Arthur Gareginyan. Sorry, Arthur. Install now and activate that plugin. Now, once it's activated, we should see in our appearance menu a new menu item called custom functions, and there it is. And it really is as simple as pasting the functions code that you would have been asked to put into your functions.php file, and you stick it in here. Now, the good thing about this plugin is that it's not just a place where you can dump the code, it also checks the code for you as well. So Arthur, big up to you. You've done a great job here. So we're going to talk about adding stuff to our website. I've got a little demo site, a little blank WordPress Cento theme here. And the first thing we're going to do is, I've got a few functions I have prepared here. Now, there's a thing on the front end that displays what WordPress version you're on. And some clients or IT people do get a little bit concerned that you're displaying the software that you're using for your website. So I get asked a lot to remove the info so it's not available on the front end. And if I'm going to go to this little website we've got here. Now, if I go view page info, you will see that we've got WordPress 4.6.1 as the generator. So it kind of gives the game away. And so this little code snippet here removes the WP meta generator tag from displaying on the front end. So we're just going to copy that and paste it into our new functions file, or our extra functions files. We save the changes. Arthur's great plugin is going to give it a little check, a little once over, and tell us that it's good to go. And if we go back to our front end and refresh that now, we will view the page info again, and we'll see magically it's gone. No one knows it's WordPress. So that's one for you. I've got another couple here that are pretty cool. Well, I'm going to save that one for last because it's my favorite. Now, with WordPress, generally speaking, when you do a search and you see that this theme has got the built-in search function, if we do a search for something in the site, we're just going to copy this bit of lorem ipsum and put it in there. Do a search for that. You see the search returns site-wide information. So we've got something from the privacy policy, the terms and conditions. There's a blog. There's the contact page, the portfolio page, about obviously a lot of lorem ipsum in this particular demo site. So this function here allows you to override the default search and only search the post. So we're literally going to copy that into our great functions plugin, save the changes, and we got the thumbs up there that it's been added successfully. So we'll go to the home page and we'll just try that search again, just for lorem. And you see this time you only get the blog because it's only searching the blog posts. So that's a pretty cool one. I think you kind of get the gist of how you can add functions to your WordPress site without having to attack the old functions.php file, because you know at some point that'll be overwritten. Plus, also, if you do anything bad, you can also always disable the plugin, and of course, your site will work again. All right, let's do the last one, which is my personal favorite. And this is on the, so on the dashboard, I can just open that in a new window. On the dashboard, you see we have all these different, they're actually called dashboard widgets, all these little information boxes. And wouldn't it be nice if you could add your own one? And this is really cool for if you do a site for a client or if it's your own site, and so that other users can look at information, maybe get some feedback about something that's specific about the site, some contact information, what have you. So I've got this little function that I found, which is called add dashboard widget. And we're going to go and paste that into our custom functions. There she goes, and save those changes. And if we go back to our dashboard now, give that a refresh, we've got a nice little info box where we can put in information. So in this demo one, I'm saying, well, you can email me here. That will launch the email client and send maybe the tech support an email. Or we can put in a link to another web page. I mean, you can basically put any HTML you like in there. Maybe even a small video tutorial, that sort of thing. So it all works really well. So there you go. It's very simple, this plugin, but it works really efficiently. It's definitely my preferred choice when adding functions to a site. If ever you see the line in a blog post or a tutorial that's saying, add this to your functions.php file, don't do it. Use the plugin. So there you have Arthur's My Custom Functions plugin. Nice little, tidy little plugin that. But what's your way of adding functions to your WordPress websites if you do that sort of thing? Please go ahead and stick some comments below and let us know what you think about custom functions in WordPress. And of course, if you like what you see here on the Jakson channel, please do consider subscribing. But until next time, I'll see you later.